Now we shall understand about the emergency drugs. The name itself is self-explanatory. This is emergency drugs. So a list of emergency drugs is prepared in each hospital. There should be emergency drugs should be made available at all times in the hospital, in emergency situations and in emergency conditions. They become like a life-saving medications. Okay, these emergency drugs are those medicines which saves the life of the patient. Like example would be adrenaline, okay, adrenaline, corticosteroids, Carmin, insulin, many other drugs, many other higher antibiotics. They may become life-saving drugs, digoxin, okay, they may become life-saving drugs, dobutamine, because it saves the life of the patient. That should be made available at all times. These drugs are prepared, these drugs are placed in a special box called to be as emergency box. So they are placed in a special box called to be as emergency box. Emergency box has an inventory record of medicine and its consumption on monthly basis. How much emergency drugs have been consumed by the patient? A record is required. The pharmacist maintains the drug in emergency box. The pharmacist is a person who maintains. So the pharmacy is a person who maintains the emergency drugs, this emergency box. The emergency box is accessible at any time and any place in the hospital. So it should be easily accessible at any time in the hospital because of emergency conditions or the situations. Now there should be a routine inspection of the drug inventory in wards. Okay, routine inspection is very, very important. Inspection of drugs kept in ward, which is carried by the pharmacist along with the in charge of the nursing staff. The quantity of the drugs, how much quantity is available? Because it is an emergency drugs, it should be available at all point of time. Storage conditions, quantity, storage conditions, it should be kept as per the guidelines, and diagnostic medicines should be separately stored. Medicines for internal and external use should be separated. Expired drugs, the spoiled or deteriorated drugs should not be kept in the ward. It should be immediately discarded. After expiry, the pharmacist, while preparing the crash card or the emergency drugs, the pharmacist's duty and responsibility is very, very important, because expired drugs, spoiled drugs or the deteriorated drugs should not be kept in the ward. Immediately it has to be discarded in the specific container. It should be thrown out. Now proper record of drugs must be maintained, because how much drugs has been given to the patient, dosages, everything has to be maintained. If something goes wrong, they have the documentation for everything.